Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Suzuki Swift GLX, stock reference number 4815. The shape runs from the 8th month 2010 through to the 9th month 2013. It has a K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand fog light, less surround. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has two small dents. Right tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.